Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's time for a shave video. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. It is Sunday and it is time for a shave. Now, most of you guys know it is Memorial Day, and that is to honor the servicemen and women that have died or given their life during their service. So let's just give a quick moment of silence and pay our respect. All right, and today's shave, I figured it would be a little bit of a green shave. Today's shave soap is by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and this is Polo. Polo. I'm still fighting the old sinuses, so I don't know. It's terrible. Anyway, this is a nice green scent. This is a dupe of the classic green Polo, and I have this huge matching bottle because I don't have the actual splash. And I want to give a quick shout out to Tobin. Tobin sent me this soap because he knew I was looking for it, and it hasn't been released in quite some time from PAA. So I will put a link in the little description box below to his channel, which is Tobins Throwback. If you haven't watched his channel, go check it out. And I already have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl with this beautiful green Trotters handcraft brush. And oh, it's a beauty. Every one of these brushes are really nice. And did I say thank you to Tobin for sending me that soap? I forget. But anyway, let's go ahead and get lathered up for pass number 1. I did the old hot water trick and created the lather, and that, I don't know, just the warm lather is really nice. Kind of reminds you of going to the barber shop, and when they trim up the back of your neck, they always put that hot lather on there. Got 2 days worth of growth. Yesterday, we had a little get together with friends and family, hung out around the pool, stayed up kind of late, so I didn't get up real early this morning to do a shave video. So today's razor is the Helix Polo Lite, and this is an all stainless steel razor. And the reason they call it light is because that head is so thin, and it's a very unique design. I do have that loaded up already with a Gillette super thin blade. So let's warm up the razor and get going on pass number 1 with the green. Had no problems taking the stubble down, and like always, this razor has been moving up into my favorites category. And I was kind of waiting around. I figured somebody was going to do the old tag video on favorite razors and all that stuff, and I haven't seen that yet. I guess I could be the one that starts it this year. I don't know. I probably won't start it. You guys have any big plans for this weekend, or did you already have it? Let me know in the comments below. Get lathered up for pass number 2 here. Look at that beautiful lather. There for a split second, I thought I forgot to hit the record button, and I was like, did I do it? What a pleasant scent. Since I have that huge bottle of green Polo or classic Polo, I may not ever need a splash. I can just use an unscented and just spritz away. I didn't realize how huge that bottle was going to be. Yeah, so my Adobe, whenever I was looking at, I may have told this story before, when I was looking at buying a Doberman, I had kind of did a little bit of research because there were some things that I didn't want to have to deal with. Like my past dog, she was a mix between a Jack Russell and a long-haired terrier. And so she required a haircut every month. And I realized after several years that I didn't want to have to get haircuts to dogs anymore. So that was one thing I was like, I don't want to, you know, and a Doberman has short hair. So then I thought, well, does she shed? And I was talking to my friend Corey because he has a Doberman. Corey, if you're watching, you're a liar. Okay, but let me go get cleaned up with some cold water real quick and I'll continue with my story. And I remembered the ice cube stick. So, yeah, I asked my buddy Corey because I thought, you know, he's going to know all the things. You know, and I read a couple little pamphlets and searched the internet for some of the other answers, but sometimes you're just not real sure how accurate that information is. My Lancaster black sheep towel. And so I had asked him, you know, does your dog shed? He said, no, never noticed it. I'm going to use some Stirling unscented Splash here. And so, yeah, she is losing her winter coat, I guess, right now. I think she loses her winter coat all year long, to be honest, because her hair is short. It's about the length of an eyelash. So, I don't know. I have that little Roomba, and I run it every other day. And it seems like I can make a little Adobe coat because that thing is almost packed full. And I'm like, how can she possibly be losing that much hair and still have hair on her body? Because it is mind-blowing. I will say that. And that's just one of the things I was misled about. You know, classic. So I can tell you more about the Adobe stories in the future, but that is my one gripe for today. All right, well, thanks guys for sticking with me and watching the video. If you have any gripes, comments, complaints, or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. I appreciate any feedback possible, and I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your weekend.